give you a little break. Could we do that? Here we go. Before we started. So check this out. If we are sinners and we can do it, could Adam have done it? Yes! Because he was perfect and he walked with God and he talked with God. So therefore when you hear somebody say, well, there's no way Adam could have done that. Yeah, he can. You know how we know? We just did observational science and we proved that he could do it. All it is a matter of who we believe to be our foundation, and that is the scripture. I'm going to skip ahead a little.